My name is Colton Griffin. I'm CEO of WMSight. We're a consulting firm focused on business intelligence and data analytics applied specifically to the supply chain. WMSight has implemented business intelligence tools and BI strategy at a number of different companies ranging from consumer product goods to retail to food and bev. Ultimately, we help companies extract real value out of the data generated by the different transactional systems that run their companies. What we see customers challenged with is a couple of things. One, the number of sources of data that are being generated throughout their companies. So they have WMS, TMS, order management, labor, ERP, a multitude of different systems that all empower their operations to do their jobs, and that creates some challenges in sourcing that data from multiple systems. Tied in with that is the volume and speed of data that's being generated now, especially with e-com and better technology and better RF picking. A lot of data is generated very fast. Furthermore, I think one of the things that's challenging nowadays is some Internet of Things data, some sort of more machine-generated data and sensor data, which is even bigger in volume and presents some challenges to process as well. There's several tools that businesses need to really excel and take their business to the next level. And one of those tools is a robust business intelligence strategy and implementation of those tools. Several years ago, I think that business intelligence and data analytics was usually a phase 2 of a project, and now I don't see anybody implementing new systems without thinking about reporting and analytics as part of that project. So the adoption of these tools is just becoming more prevalent across the industry. People are also expecting to have access to this information on their desktops, on their mobile devices as well, and they're expecting the presentation of the underlying data to be visually appealing and interactive. Kind of tied in with that is a lot of users now expect some type of self-service to be able to modify and create visualizations or explore data sets on an ad hoc fashion, which is really exciting because it reduces IT's sort of overhead and the burden on them to continuously provide this new information and new tools for the operations to use. Value comes in several different forms. One is monitoring for exceptions. 2 is shortening time to investigate issues within your operations. And 3 is holding your operations accountable by actually having visibility at a higher level to encourage your employees and your managers to excel and to meet industry standards. I always jump at a chance to talk to why it's important to adopt business intelligence tools and to have a data analytics strategy and a BI strategy as part of your corporate strategy. I'm happy to jump on a conference call or a quick webinar to discuss the value of these tools and how they could fit into your operations.